Right, now it's time for us to thank all the researchers who joined us with those stories. Many thanks for giving us that perspective. In fact, let's go across straight to the management of Escomars. Remember, that stock has put on another 11 to 12% in trade, and clearly the markets are wanting to know more details about that prospective IPO. So we've got the management with us, Mr. Nitin Kasliwal, who's the chairman at Escomars. Mr. Kasliwal, many thanks for joining us on the show. First, take us through, where things stand as far as your IPO plans are concerned. Are we looking at timelines? Can you give us some more details?
Yeah, it's a pleasure to be with you. The Reid Taylor proposed IPO is going to happen in the next 6 to 8 months. As you may be aware, that Reid Taylor is already a subsidiary company of SKNL, with about 74.5% held by SKNL and 25.5% held by the government of Singapore. They had invested $210 million in 2008 into this subsidiary at a valuation of $840 million post-money. And obviously, based on that, an IPO is being planned in the next 6 to 8 months. The principal reason is for basically creating a listing for the company, and to that extent, there will be I think a value, amount of about $100 to $125 million being raised.
I see. Take us through really how the financials stack up right now as far as Reid & Taylor goes. Can you give us an outlook as far as this side of the business is concerned?
Yeah, the Reid & Taylor subsidiary in the current year should be closing sales close to 1,000 crores with an EBITDA in the region of about 37%. So that is basically the way the numbers pan out for Reid & Taylor. It's a very high profit, high margin business with growth in the region of 30 to 35% per annum. And it involves our luxury textile business. It involves our garment, 3 garment brands, which is of course the Reid & Taylor brand. Then we have Stephens Brothers, and we're launching another brand called Kruger. So it's a multi-branded apparel, clothing, retail enterprise. So it's a high value, high margin business.
Mr. Kasliwal, a couple of other rumors which are also doing the rounds. Would love your clarification. This is Neeraj Shah. Good morning. There is a talk of you looking to probably convert Belmonte into a separate subsidiary and bring in PE investors for the same. True?
That's correct. Neeraj, good morning to you as well. Yes, we are also looking at subsidiarizing Belmont over the next few months. Belmont, again, like Reid & Taylor, is fast getting established as a very strong brand, both in the fabric and apparel sections. Plus, also the company that is being carved out of into this company, which is called Belmont Lifestyles and Fashions, is basically the Belmont brand. Plus, we also have a uniformity brand, which is high-value uniforms under Belmont. Then we also have the medium value cotton fabric business and a workwear business, which operates under the Escomars brand. So it's a multiple of these businesses, which is getting into this company, which operates at the middle level of the consumer market.
Sure. Mr. Kasliwal, sorry to butt in, but completely running out of time very quickly. Are you likely to do a QIP anytime soon? The buzz is that you will probably do it in the next 1 month.
No, we'll probably do a QIP in the coming months, in the next 6 to 8 months, but nothing. It also depends on market forces. It depends on so many issues.
Fair call. Many thanks, and keep us posted with that, Mr. Kasliwal. Many thanks for joining in. All right. That was Escomars reiterating that they'll probably do a QIP sometime soon, depending on market conditions. Not immediately on annual, but could happen sometime soon. The other stock which has been in news and doing exceptionally well since listing